Now, going on to the next slide, we got installing unsecure applications. This is kind of simple, just because we all have been pretty much we know where we want to get applications from, but um, your book goes over it. And what I want you guys to understand is that uh, Apple has a way of having authorized applications to be installed, and that's only in the App Store on their devices. And Google Play Store is the way you want to get authorized applications from the Android side. Okay, um, so you don't want to really go out to any type of place such as Reddit or GitHub and then get those applications and install them around the safe. They put those stores in place in order for it to be a kind of a safe place to actually install those applications. Okay, so pretty simple here. Apple, we're going to the iOS store, and then Google, Android machines, we're probably going to go to a Google Play Store. Your book goes into actually understanding what this well it going off on our last slide of going to a authorized place to actually install new software. We want to make sure that if we don't understand where we're going at on the internet, that we probably want to stay clear of that, right? So if you see these type of QR codes and you're curious, you can go ahead and scan that and see where it takes you, right? So uh, that's a real QR code that I clipped and I put it into this slide. It doesn't take you to a malicious site, but I wanted to really kind of preface it to say, hey, if you see a QR code, to be wary of it. 9 times out of 10, I would feel more safe if it had some type of logo here in the middle. I'm sorry, had a logo here in the middle that kind of gives me an indication of where I would be going. So if I had a Facebook page that I would normally go to, it would be kind of centered in the middle to where, okay, I know I'm going to a Facebook page, but I just don't know which one that I'm going to go to. So just be wary of the QR codes. They're actually very convenient in actually showing or giving someone a link without actually giving them the actual phrase in order for them to type in. They could just scan the QR code with their camera, and then the smart device would actually take you to that actual website. But imagine if I was malicious, then I could have a QR code go to a malicious site, right? So we just take it as for what it is, and then we scan it, and someone hacked into my machine just that easy. So just be careful of those type of untrusted content, QR codes, and things of that nature.